Hello guys, so the day has come. I'm gonna start to repairing all the rust and prepare the thing to paint it. So let's get on it. So I'm gonna use like this thing. It's like, I don't know the name in English, but it's like a sanding, but very powerful. And then a typical sander, normal one, two different grains, 120, 160. And let's get on it. Hello everyone, welcome back. So yesterday I finished the sanding and just trying to fix all the things, and today I'm going to put like this polyester plaster and then just sand it again and paint it. It's not my goal just to get this perfect. That's what I bought this old van and not a new one, so I can also experiment with the car painting shop, which I never did before. So I think it's gonna be pretty interesting, even though the result might not be perfect. I don't really think it's gonna be perfect, but it will be better than it is. Yeah, it's a good practice. That's what I bought this very old Mercedes. So if I fuck it up, it's okay. Okay, so for what I learned on YouTube, this is a two-component polyester masilla. I think it's called like some plastic, polyester plastic, which it dries very fast, like 5 minutes. So you cannot prepare the whole thing just at once. So you go preparing like little pieces, and you use this hardener that will just make it work. So apparently this is like this. You grab a piece, put it here, just make two, and then you grab like this. It's called in English. It's called. There's no English. This little piece. So they do this. They put it like one line. So it's like one line over the top. That's enough, as YouTube says. Okay, so you mix it. Mix it very well. This is so good. I never did this before, and it was one of not my dreams, but I wanted to do. I want to know how to fix my car, how to fix these bumpers. I'm not relying on going to car shops. I'm sorry if you have a car shop, but I think this skill, if I learn it, it's gonna be very, very useful. Okay, you cannot see the thing, so it's working. I'll put the camera there, and let's start with the other part. Okay, if there's something that you need to know about putting the plaster here is that it's very difficult. I didn't know that it was gonna be that difficult. Anyway, I did it, so let me show you. And the consideration is, my goal wasn't to get this perfect. So, because it's just needed maybe to also changing the door, just taking it to a real repair shop. But for me it was just getting out of the rust and just making it thin so I can paint it in the same way. That's gonna see if it's a good job or not when I finish doing it. But yeah, it's more difficult than I thought, the plaster thing. Anyway, okay, so it's time to get some sanding on this.